Hey everybody, what that was is just a basic progression in the key of C. I start on the 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 3, 6. And what I wanted to show here was trills. I hear a lot of young guitar players, they say, what is that? This. It's just a hammer-on technique. You've heard this before. Got guys doing that in rock and roll with distortion. This is pretty much the same concept. It's just hammer-ons. Off the 3, off the 2, 1. Then off the 6. So the technique is just hit, hammer on, pull off. You can use it anywhere on any chord. It's just something that gives the music instead of do. It just gives it a nice, tasty feel and add a lot of color to the chords. And you can figure out ways you can do it how you want to do it. But that's the concept, and I want to give you that. So, you'll understand what's actually happening when you hear someone do that, and you can put it into your playing. I hope that helps.